Hey everyone, I'm Zach, one of the designers of Veiled Fate, and here's what you can expect from this campaign. When we first launched Veiled Fate in 2020, we made up the term strategic deduction because nothing else seemed to fit a game that has heavy social deduction elements, but a strategy-based win condition. And it's been really amazing to see how many people resonated with that idea. Veiled Fate Tribunal takes strategic deduction a step further, pushing the pedal to the floor on all aspects that make strategic deduction so fun. Tribunal is actually 3 full-sized expansions called Hadria, Celestials, and Servants. Plus 3 micro-expansions all packed in one beautiful box that sits perfectly next to the base game. Each expansion evolves one aspect of what makes Veiled Fate so fun. Hadria demands deeper strategy in your relationship with renown points and god powers. Celestials elevate the social pressure through 7 new deduction-based asymmetric win conditions. And Servants reimagines the importance of positional strategy by adding roving regional modifiers. Finally, the micro-expansions all add small complexities to change the game in meaningful ways. All 6 expansions are fully compatible with each other, allowing you to shape your gameplay perfectly to any group. Break out Hadria and Servants for your heads-down strategy lovers. Mix it up with Celestials for a more rambunctious crowd. Or throw everything at the table for maximum strategic deduction. There's a lot more info on each expansion on the page below, as well as some very nice how-to-play videos. What else will you find on this campaign? Well, a lot of discounts and added bonuses, like over $30 of free bonuses. Plus, premium upgrades like metal minis and the deluxe city center, and the fabled wooden board is back. Very much only available on Kickstarter. Take some time to explore the page and drop any questions you have in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody.